In this video, I'd like to talk about a pay-per-click traffic source called Bidvertiser. You could visit them at bidvertiser.com. Now, this is not any average ad network. This is different from Google in that, unlike Google AdSense or Google AdWords, the advertiser and publisher have control of the ads quality and the pricing and the timing. This is also great for niche market targeting, and Bidvertiser provides high quality traffic. And the traffic, when you purchase them, it's immediate and you get results. What I like about it is that, yeah, you do have control over your ads, such as the size of the advertisements and the keywords. And another great thing is, if you know you're starting out, the cost of this traffic source is cheap compared to the big ad networks out there. And another great feature of this ad network is that they do provide click fraud protection. In this video, I'd like to talk about a site called Buy Sell Ads. Their website is buysellads.com. And basically, this is a site where you can easily buy ad space on other websites. This is actually one of the largest advertising marketplaces on the web. And the type of ads that you can buy vary. You could buy display ads, RSS feed ads, sponsored tweets, images and text, text links, background takeovers, sponsored content and posts, email newsletter ads, and custom ads. And basically, you can have several different types of ads on several sites using just one platform. And you can also choose only the best sites in your market to advertise on. A great feature they have is that you can split test ads. If you're just starting out in internet marketing and you're in a tight budget, you may want to try getting traffic or building your list through traffic exchanges. And one of the best traffic exchanges out there is a site called Traffic Swarm. Okay, you can visit them at trafficswarm.com. And the way that traffic exchanges work is that you have to spend time visiting other member sites in order for you to get credits. And as an option, you can also purchase these credits. You can then use these credits to have your ad displayed in their network. So in Traffic Swarm, the way it works is you would set up a campaign, write a short description of your link, and decide how many credits per day to devote to a campaign. Now, the benefits of using traffic exchanges are that the traffic is free if you're willing to spend the time visiting other member sites, and also you can get traffic overnight with the potential to get unlimited traffic.